Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So, if you're actually receiving this issue on Snapchat, it's possible that Snapchat found suspicious activity going around your application. But we have a solution for this, so let's go ahead and go to our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your settings. So you could go to your settings by going to the main home page of your phone. That's the settings here. Or you could just locate your settings by swiping from above and just selecting on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the section that says apps. Under apps, you want to go to manage apps. And here you want to search for Snapchat. So I'm just going to use the search function here to locate Snapchat really quickly. And here I want to force stop Snapchat first to stop it from running. Here just click on OK. And from here just click on clear data and just click on clear cache. Once you've cleared the cache on your mobile app on Snapchat, you want to go to Play Store. So in Play Store, just look for Snapchat. And just make sure that you have the latest version for Snapchat. As you can see right now, I don't have the latest version of Snapchat, and just select on that and just click on update. So we'll just let this update, so it might take a few minutes or seconds depending on the speed of your internet. So now when you open up your Snapchat, the support code SS06 should no longer appear on your device. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.